Hello, in this video I just want to talk about an essential piece of kit for every home, office, beauty spa, reception, hospital, pet bedroom, child's room, your bedroom, everywhere, basically for your house. It's called Aroma, if you can see that, Aroma Humidifier. It's a lamp as well, so we're going to open this now. I got this off eBay. It was under £20. I looked for something like this for a long time because in the summer I went to a fair where they were selling aromatherapy things and gadgets, and I walked into this little room full of bric-a-brac and books and stuff, and I could see a little puff cloud of smoke in the corner. As I walked near it smelled very nice, and I said to the lady, "What is that?" And she showed me this little aromatherapy humidifier, and it smelled absolutely gorgeous. And she told me you could put essential oils in there and it just sort of humidifies the room. And I said, "How much, love?" And she said, £50. I said, "Whoa!" So I come on eBay and I've had a look. I've looked for a better one than I've seen in the shop, so here it is. You can see it's come boxed. Let's get my knife, very sharp. Don't try this at home, folks. Yeah, wash the fingers. We'll split it there. Let's have a look at this. Come here, baby. Aha. Right, okay. Okay, let's put that back in there. So we'll open the box here. Up some more of this stuff. Yeah, we know what this is. So let's take that out. In there. Right, let's take it out of the box. Right, okay. You can see we got this, which I'm about to unwrap. Yeah, so this is like the lamp. Just put that to one side a second. We've also got this little device here with a plug attached and a little dial, a little switch on the back. Yeah, put that aside. In this little package here we've got a squidget. That's something to do with something, so we'll see what that does now in a second. Put that aside. And also got this little packet with two plasticky funny things in. So there's one funny thing, and there is another funny thing, and yes, this thing rotates upon the funny thing. In fact, we got that there, and we can place this one on top. So these are the water spouts, which are adjustable. So we'll put that aside now a second. So we got this here. Take the plastic off. Loads of plastic everywhere. Take out the plug. Come here. There we have it. And we've got a plug lead here. Quite a generous plug lead, I must say. Check the length on that bad boy. Nice. So we have this. As you can see, I think this is a water tank and a container and the electrical device. We have the lamp aspect, which is a water carrier as well. So I'm going to place that on there. Right, okay, straight on there. It sits on there nicely. It'll only sit on there one way. As you can see, it'll sit on there one way. I'll get back on there now. So it sits on there. So, right, we're going to put this together now. There's the bottom of the water tank. Yeah, you fill the water here, the water inlet, it says there, the water inlet. Yeah, so you fill water in there, and then we will put that on there, like so, and just twist it into place, and that locks the water in. And what happens is, when you put the water in, this device here will sit onto that little device there, and it will release the water into the tank here, which is heated up, and it'll blow out the steam. So let's try this now. Yep, that'll fit on there. And this is where the steam will come out from the top of here. So we can put this device on top, and then we can slide the device around, and the steam could go any direction you want it to. Right, so what I'm going to do, this is a 1.5 litre tank of water, and it claims on the packet that you don't need, you can keep this going on all night, and when the water tank is empty it'll automatically shut off, which is good. Right. Like I say, there's a basic set of instructions here. User manual. Yeah. Basic instructions there, showing you how to put the thing together, how to work it. So what we're going to do now, right, without plugging it in, I've actually got some water, and I've actually got, where's it gone? Right, some water. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill this tank up. Now this is a kettle, yeah, and I fill this kettle right up. So I'm going to see how much water this takes. Excuse the French. Right, there's a fill level in here, which I've adhered to. So before I put the lid on now, I have essential oil, and this is my favourite oil of all time. It is patchouli oil, my favourite oil. So apparently you can put different oils in there, but all you need is probably 2 to 3 drops for this massive tank of water. So I'm going to place a few drops. Come on, patchouli, you don't want to come out, but it's going to come out. Come on. Oh, please bear with me. Come on. Yep, there you go. Right, there's about 5 drops in there. So I'll put the lid on there now. I love the smell of patchouli. It's such a beautiful oil. Right, I'm going to put the cap on now. Yeah, lock it into place. I place the cap on, twist it, lock it into place. And now I'm going to get my lamp, and I'm going to line the squidgy up with the squidgy in there and see if I can get this first time. Nope, nope, nope. Right, I don't know if you can hear the water. You can hear it falling from the tank. Yes, filling this base up now, this well in the base. There's no water come out here, which is good. And I'm going to put the lid on. Yeah, so there we are. Right, also this is adjustable. You can turn it on and then you can adjust the amount of steam. It covers an area of 20 meters. Automatic switch off. It's a lamp, it's a beautiful lamp. Colour changing, you can have it on one colour or you can leave it on rotation where it'll change colours automatically. They say in the manual you can leave it on all night. The benefits of a humidifiers are they let moisture into small amounts into the atmosphere of your room. It's supposed to help with symptoms of respiratory problems like asthma, breathing, nasal passages, sinuses. Apparently alleviates dry skin, eyes and nasals, chapped lips, so it's good for dry skin. You know, that's just small amounts of humidity in the room, which this emits when it's turned on. But there's only a problem as well, is words of warning. Too much humidity can promote mold growth and bacterials. Too much humidity is probably about 60% humidity in a room, which is very high humidity level. This only emits small amounts. But also, when using this machine and you're using oils, dirty water will collect on the base around the machine, and you need to clean this quite often. If you don't clean this quite often, it will promote bacterial growth and mold growth, which is very bad for your health. So this must be maintained and cleaned regularly. After a few uses, you must take it apart. As we put it back together, you take it apart and give it a good clean and dry it off, and then begin to use it again. So I'm going to plug it in now, straightforward, 240, 110 to 240 volt, plug it in, and I'm going to turn it on. Right, so I've actually switched it on. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to turn my lamp off so we can have a look at this in the dark time. I actually got this towel here, this spare towel, just in case I need to lose water. So obviously we didn't, so that's good news. I'm getting better. So first of all, with the switch on the back, I'm going to turn it on. And you can't see it yet, but this is just turning the lamp on. So what I'm going to do now, with my light, I'm going to turn my light off so you can see this. So I'm going to turn it off again. I'm going to turn my light off so you can see this working in the dark. Bear with me a second, guys. Right, so now I'm going to turn it on. And can you see it? No. Let me bring it closer. Can you see this? I hope so. Yeah, you can see a change in colours there. It looks really beautiful in the evening. You can see greens, reds, purples, blues. I don't know how much this is showing up like, you know, but it's a beautiful lamp. Now this is on without the actual mist coming out. So it's used as a standalone lamp with or without water. You can just turn it on the back. You can use the tank empty and just turn it on without switching the dial on the front. So now we've shown that, I'm going to turn my light back on. So bear with me, people. Right, let me show you the lamp. So on the lamp here, we've got a dial. I just turned it on to the basic setting, the first setting. As you can hear, there's something happening. Oh, I'm not being funny, but I can smell the patchouli on a fine mist on such a beautiful day. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh, wow. Right. I don't know if you can see any mist actually coming out. Let's see if it's built up first. Might take a little while to warm up, but now I'm going to turn the dial up onto full blast, and hopefully we should detect the mist coming out. So here it goes. Yeah, you can see this. Come on, you can see this. Right. Oh man, that's beautiful. I think I'll get the essence of orange or lemon in here as well, and use patchouli and lemon or orange. That'll be a nice combination. Oh, such a subtle hint of patchouli oil, which is just nice. So I'm going to turn it back down to the minimum setting. Yeah, and just let it seep out. And I'm going to actually turn the switch on the back off. And now you can see the lamp is still working with the switch on the back off. So the switch on the back is for the lamp, and you don't need water in there. Yeah, or you can use it as an aromatherapy, or just for chilling out, relaxing, watching a bit of Corrie Street, you know, and just having this as a nice focal point. So I'm going to turn the light off again now. I'm going to leave it on full blast, full steam. Yeah, so bear with me again, people, please. There we have it. Right, now I'm going to turn the light on, and I'm going to have the colour changing effect for you all to see. Feast your eyes on that then, guys. You can see the greens. Can you see that? Yes, blues. That's quite nice, I like that. Other colours, it's just subtly changing. Come on, give me some reds and purples. Give me some purples. You can see, all in all, it's a very nice lamp. You can see it's changing colours. You know, this makes an ideal gift. I just purchased one for my daughter and she was like, Daddy, Daddy, what does it do? And I'll have to show her this video. You know, and then she'll know because, you know, she's into aromatherapy and stuff. And I tell you what, I can smell the subtle scent of patchouli oil in the background. And it's quite nice. So whichever essential oils you want to put in there, just a couple of drops, that's amazing news. I just want to thank you for watching. As I say, you can place this as a lamp. You can put it anywhere. It'll tell you on the box, and when you go to the listings on eBay, it'll tell you the places you can use it. It'll give you more information. Automatic safety cut off, so if the water should go, it just cuts off automatically. You haven't got to do anything, and that's fantastic news. So it's quite safe, and you can use it just as a lamp or aromatherapy. Thank you for watching.